Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tanvi Mahant, founder and owner of HomeoHeals Clinic, and welcome back to my channel HomeoHeals. So today in the series of Bach Flower Remedies, we are going to talk about flower remedies for fear and anxieties. So the first remedy is Mimulus. Now Mimulus is a flower remedy which can be used for specific fears. For example, when the person knows what is the cause of his fear, example, fear of death, fear of darkness, fear of failure. So in specific fears, Mimulus really helps a great deal. Now I remember two such cases, young girls who had the fear that they are going to die. So fear of death was very predominant, which lead to a lot of anxiety of health. So Mimulus really helped them a great deal along with homeopathic remedy. So when this fear develops into sort of panic attack or terrors, you can use rock rose, which is our second remedy. So rock rose is used for extreme panic situation, terror situations, which leads to a lot of anxieties. So I'll tell you another example. So when in this patient who had fear of death, okay, when she used to fall sick, the fear was so severe that she used to go into panic attacks where she used to feel pain in the chest, the pain used to radiate to the left shoulder, and she used to feel that she's going to die of heart attack. So where there is this extreme panic situation or terror like situation, rock rose really helps. Another case I remember where the patient had extreme fear of traveling, especially long distance traveling. Now this fear was because she had an experience in the past where she had experienced car accident, and after that the fear was so terrible that whenever she has to travel for a long journey, she used to get extreme panic attacks. So again, rock rose is the remedy which is very useful in cases of panic attacks, extreme anxieties where the patient is sweating, the extremities turn cold. Rock rose gives very good results. The third remedy which we are going to talk is about Aspen. Now Aspen is a flower remedy which is used for non-specific fears. Now many times it happens that people tell you or patients tell you that they feel at the edge, but they don't know what's the reason. So where there is constant certain fears and anxiety, worry which is going on in back of the mind, and you don't know what's the reason, okay, you're getting nightmares. So Aspen is the remedy which can be used for non-specific fears and anxieties. So all the three remedies can also be used in combination in certain cases, where as and when required. So you remember the case of a female which I told you, she had fear of death, and at times that fear of death used to also go into the into panic attacks. So in that case, Mimulus and rock rose both really helped the case. So I'll give you another example. Now in this case I haven't used Bach Flower Remedies because the patient had been helped only with homeopathic remedy. Now she had fear of failure and fear of examination, right? And this persists for every time she used to go to write her paper. She used to start sweating, she used to feel pain in the chest, and she used to completely black out. So in this case also you could think of Mimulus and rock rose. So as a homeopathic practitioner, I decide in certain cases where I feel that along with homeopathic medicines, flower remedies are going to help my patients or going to help them recover faster, I use flower remedies along with homeopathic remedies. In certain cases I also use flower remedies alone. So I hope this video was helpful to everyone. So if you're new to my channel, do not forget to like my channel and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you.